Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how you can easily bring your favorite photos to life with a bit of motion, without complicated video software, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to create simple and engaging videos from your photos right inside Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add movement and style to your images, turning them into eye-catching slideshows or dynamic social media content with minimal fuss. First things first, open up Canva in your web browser. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry. It's a super approachable design platform that's great for beginners and more advanced creators alike. Once you're there, look for the bright Create button, usually up in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This is your jump-off point for any new design project in Canva, and it's the gateway to all of Canva's amazing possibilities. Now, when the menu pops up, scroll through and select Presentation. You might wonder, why a presentation if we're making a video? Well, Canva's presentation format actually gives you the perfect canvas to lay out multiple images, add backgrounds, and animate elements, just like building slides in a slideshow, but with way more creative options. It's a fantastic option whether you're making a recap of a recent trip, putting together a portfolio to show off your work, or just compiling your all-time favorite pictures of your pets. With your blank presentation open, it's time to add your image. You'll find the Uploads tab over on the left. Click on that and drop in your favorite photo from your computer. Wait a moment for it to upload. Don't worry, even high-quality images usually take just a few seconds. Then drag it onto your slide. You can resize and reposition it however you like here. This first photo is your foundation, so place it right where you want the focus to be. Next, let's give your slide a little more pop with a custom background color. Click anywhere outside your image, and you'll see the background color tile appear up top. Pick a color that either complements your photo or matches the mood you're going for. A soft pastel can make portrait photos stand out, or a bold color might be perfect for travel shots. This simple touch instantly gives your video a personal, polished feel, here, where the magic starts coming together. To add movement, you'll want to duplicate your image, so right-click on your photo and select Duplicate, or just use the shortcut if you're comfortable. By copying the image onto several slides and changing its placement on each one, you create the illusion of motion. For example, try moving the photo a little to the left on one slide, then to the right on the next. If you're feeling creative, you can even rotate the image slightly or resize it little by little. Imagine your photo gliding across the screen or zooming in for dramatic effect. This is what keeps your viewers visually engaged. Now select both the original and duplicated slides and look for the Animate button at the top. Here, where Canva Match and Move feature comes in. This effect automatically animates your images between slides, smoothly transitioning them from one spot to another, almost like magic. You'll immediately see your static pictures transform into living, moving images. This is such a cool trick, perfect for highlight reels, photo slideshows, or even simple animated stories. If you want, try adding a bit of text, maybe a title, a caption, or some fun facts about your images. Just click the text button on the left and drag in a text box. Don't overthink it. Even just a few words can add context and make your video more memorable. Take a moment to preview your video using the play button at the top. If something looks off, don't worry, tweak your image placements or switch up the animation until it feels just right. When you're happy, hit the download button and export your video as an MP4 file. And that's it, you've just made your own dynamic photo video in Canva. It's incredible how easy it is, right? If you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your creations, let me know down in the comments. I love hearing from you. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.